Hello everyone, welcome to Code Fanatic. In this video we are going to learn how to upload an Android project to GitLab. First, you have to download Git from Git's official website. I am using a Windows system and I have already downloaded Git for my system. You can download Git based on your preferred operating system. I'll put the link to this website in the description below. Next, you have to create one GitLab account. So I have already created a GitLab account. Now I'm going to create a new project for my Android Studio project. Create a blank project. I'm going to give a project name. Make it private and I'm going to create a project. Now my GitLab project is created. You can see a warning here that you won't be able to pull or push project code via SSH until you add an SSH key to your profile. So this is an error for an SSH type of uploading. So there are two ways in which you can upload a project to there are two ways in which you can upload your Android Studio project to GitLab. One is an SSH method and one more is an HTTPS method. So we are going to learn both the ways in which we can upload an Android Studio project to GitLab. So now first we are going to learn how to upload a project using HTTPS method. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to my Android Studio. Now first make sure that Git is configured in your Android Studio. So go to File, Settings, Git. Git path will be auto-populated here. Android Studio automatically detects the Git which is downloaded in your system. So if I click on test, so I'll get the current Git version which is downloaded. I'll click on OK. So now let's enable version control. So I'll click on VCS, enable version control integration. Make sure Git is selected. Then I'll click on OK. So now version control is now enabled. So now we have to add all these files for our next commit. All the layout files, all the activity files, all the files in the project should be added for our next commit. So I'll go to version control here. I'll click on unversion files. I'm going to select all the files. Then I'm going to right click, get, add. Now all my files are added for my next commit. Now I'm going to click on VCS, get, commit files. I'll check all my files. You can uncheck any file which you don't want to commit. So I'm going to type in my commit message. So all my files are now committed. So let me push my commit. You can see that I have not defined a remote repository for this project. So Android Studio is asking me to define a remote repository before I push the commits. So if I click on define a remote repository, so it will ask me for the URL of your remote repository. So I'll paste the URL which I copied from GitLab, and I'm going to click on OK. So my commit is now ready to be pushed. So if I click on push, so all my commits are now pushed to my GitLab. So if I check my projects, you can see that all my files are now available in GitLab. This is how we upload a project using HTTPS method. Now let me show you how to upload a project using SSH method. So I'm going to create a new project. I've created my new project. So now I'll create a new project in my GitLab account. So let me go to my projects, click on new project, create a blank project. I'll give my project name. Create a project. So I'm going to now upload the project using SSH method. But to upload a project using SSH method, you need an SSH key. So you can either add the SSH key in here by clicking on add SSH key, or you can go to settings, SSH keys, and you can add your SSH key here. But how do I generate my SSH key? So to do that, you have to use a tool known as Git GUI. This tool comes with the your Git download from this website. So if I go to Git GUI, click on help, show SSH key. So it shows my SSH key. Let me copy it. I'll go to my GitLab page and I'm going to paste the SSH key here. You can set the expiry if you for the SSH key if it's optional. So let me add the key. So now my key is now added. My SSH key is now successfully added. So I'll go to my project. Now I'm going to click on clone using SSH, clone with SSH. So I'm going to copy the URL. So I'm going to go to my project. I'm going to follow the same steps which I had used for using HTTPS method. So I'm going to click on enable version control integration. I want to select Git. OK. Now I'm going to click on version control. I'm going to add all my version control files. Right click, git add. Then I'm going to commit my files. I can give a commit message. Sorry for that. So once it's committed, I'm going to push. So again, I have to define my remote. So I'm going to type in I'm going to paste the URL which I just copied. And I'm going to push it. So all my files have pushed. So if I go to my GitLab account, you can see all my files have now arrived at my GitLab account. So this is how you upload an Android Studio project to GitLab. That's all for this video. Please support me at Patreon, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.